What is up, my little jelly beans? So today I will be doing a review on the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette. The box looks like this. I didn't buy this palette, it was actually a Christmas gift. It's my first Fenty Beauty product that I own, so I decided to try it out and do a review. It's honestly pretty fancy. As you can tell, look at this. Very gorgeous, honestly. The palette is heavy and it's pretty good material on the palette itself. And it's so cool because it's like, you know, the palette, it's called Galaxy. So each color is named like from the atmosphere. So this one's Milky Way. This one's Planet X. Light Year. This one's Extraterrestrial. This one's Ozone. Ultraviolet. Sublime. Jupiter Sand. Sunburst. Space Oat. This one's Meteor Crush, which is my favorite. Cosmic Ocean. Mars on Fire. Midnight Bolt. And that's all of them. Here's all the colors back here. So as you can tell with the names. This blue eyeshadow and this white one that I'm using right now. They're both different formulas. I don't know if you can tell from like how chunky this one is and then how smooth this one is. So each eyeshadow is different formula and they each work a little bit different. So when you apply it, it does feel a little bit different compared to other colors that you're using in this palette. Another thing is, I feel like it's really overpriced for being $80 and you get only 14 shades and it's only shimmer on top of it. So yeah, I would never buy this palette myself because it's $80 or give or take. I need a palette that has a transition color and like some dark tones and I can build it up and make the look all in one palette. I don't need it, but I would like to, especially with the price. I got these two palettes, this one and this one, for $40. And this one has all these colors right here. They're very shimmery also. Look at this one right here. This one's very shimmery. That's what I like to do. I like to save money and I like to invest myself with my money. Before anything, don't forget to like and subscribe down below and then keep on watching to learn how I did this look. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the usual Tarte Shape Tape to prime my lids. A little goes a long way, and then I'm gonna set it with the Airspun setting powder. If you don't know where to get it, it's at Walmart for $6 and I highly recommend it. I'm going to be picking up the 35O palette and I'm going to be using the Morphe 441 brush, and it's a fluffy crease brush. I'm going to be using this color, like a nudish brown, as a transition color. And I'm going to be applying it a little bit above the crease and on the outer V. I'm also going to be doing like 3 layers of this color so I can get like a stronger color pigmentation with this. Then I'm going to be getting this brown color right here and I'm going to be using it as a second transition color, and I'm going to be applying it on the crease and the outer V. Picking up this dark cocoa color right here, I'm going to be mainly applying it on the outer V. As you can tell, I'm like patting it on the outer V part and then I'm like buffing it in. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it into the crease. Picking up this darker color right here, I'm going to be patting it into the outer V and then I'm going to be buffing it out, and then whatever is left on the brush again, I'm going to be blending it into the crease. A mini coffee break. But I'm picking up that brown color again and I'm going to be putting it on the crease and the outer V. The reason why I'm doing this is just because it helps blend more. As you can tell, compared to the other eye, it looks a lot more blended. To cut the crease, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals concealer and I'm going to be using this angle brush from the Gunmetal collection. As I'm cutting the crease, once I get to the outer part, I just kind of loop it down just so I can make sure I'm cutting the lid part itself, not just the out part of the lid. if I make any sense. Like right here, I'm just looping it down and I'm just cleaning the edge right here. I'm going to be picking up this shade right here called Milky Way. So at this moment, I realized that the pigmentation was not showing on my eyelid, so I decided to pick up this NYX glitter primer and cut the crease all over again with the glitter primer and then apply the Milky Way. At first, I used my fingers to apply the shimmer, and then I picked up a flat brush to apply the edges of for the shimmer to be a lot more smoother. Then I used the Morphe 215 brush, and it's a very thin angle brush, and I'm picking up that brown color right there to go ahead and clean out the edges. Make sure to use liquid liner because it applies a lot more better on top of the glitter. I was really feeling my lashes right here. They're my first time trying them on. They're from Coco in Style Muse. And I was just really hyped at this moment, as you can tell. Then I'm going to be picking up the pencil brush from Morphe. And I'm going to be picking up that brown color again just to apply it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be picking up this black pencil from Urban Decay. And I'm going to be applying it on my bottom waterline. And I'm also going to be applying it on my top waterline because I have those wing eyeliners to blend it out. Then I'm going to be picking up this Becca Opal highlighter. And I'm going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. And everything that's on my face. And then to finish this look, I decided to pick up the Jeffree Star lipstick in Unicorn Blood. And there you guys go. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. Bye!